Hey guys, I'm Nico Strand from PerfectedMedia.com. I just wanted to take a minute and run you guys through a online course that has really changed my life. It kind of got me started with my online business, and it's been a huge help. There's a whole community of members that will help you. There's training. You can see I've went through each course 100%. There's 38 tasks. So and that's for the online entrepreneur. So it's a 5-phase, 50 lessons series of courses walking you through the process of growing a business with absolutely any niche that you want. And then they also have the affiliate boot camp. The affiliate boot camp training is a 7-phase lesson or 70 lessons of courses walking you through the process of creating and establishing a business and niche related to promotion of wealthy affiliate or any affiliates, Amazon, Alibaba, any of them. So just to show you a couple real quick, when you go into the certification courses, here we go. Alright, so when you go into the certification courses, it breaks down the lessons. So you're going to be getting rolling, understand how to make money online, choosing a niche, building your own website, setting up your website, getting your site ready for search engines, creating your initial website content, creating custom menus on your website, understanding keywords and the start of your business. Congratulations, your next step. Let's see. So here's phase 2, your own domain, your brand, move over, my brand's arrived, creating keyword-rich content, setting up a domain-specific email account, the traffic breakdown, making use of visuals, understanding the low-hanging fruit, making face as a real person, amplifying your productivity, boosting your WA ranks, making money. So this is understanding the money and online business, understanding affiliate programs and networks. Relevant affiliate programs are everywhere, adding affiliate links to your pages, instant access to 1 million products, leveraging product reviews, getting paid for ads on your site, earning pennies or dollars, a brilliant way to track and understand your traffic, and with help comes financial success. What does social engagement mean in your business? Making your website a place to engage, using Facebook the right way, Pinterest and the visual social hemisphere, incorporating a sound tweeting campaign, Google Plus or minus, the benefit of being social at WA, making your campaign social branding, using wealthy affiliate, and you cannot be a master of everything. Now, even inside of this membership, you're going to have ways to make money. There's a site comment area where you can read other people's posts and then comment, and you will make money in the form of credits. Let's see. There we go. Request comments, earn credits, total earnings, total 30-day earnings. So I haven't really got into it yet, but it is definitely a way to even pay for your membership here. You have the live chat where members are always talking. And we have live events. So every Friday there's a new course that's live, and you can get tips. People have been with them for 11 years. They've been in business for 15 years, so they definitely have a proven track record. Let's see. You have Site Manager, Site Builder. Here's some of my websites. They have a content writing platform. They also have a keyword tool. So this is going to tell you what people are searching for in Google, and you can build your business around what people are already searching for. So for example, affiliate marketing course. Now we can see the average number of searches that the keyword receives per month, visits to your websites if you achieve first page rankings in search engines, quoted search results, the number of competing websites ranked in Google for this exact keyword, keyword quality indicator, green is great, yellow is okay, red is poor, and a score based on traffic and competition. The higher the score, the more likely you will rank for this keyword on the first page of Google. Well, of search engines, I should say. So, if you did an affiliate marketing course for free, you could bring in 20 people, get their names and emails, and start teaching them about affiliate marketing, and then lead them into Wealthy Affiliate even. You have a 94% chance of ranking on the first page.